Good evening. My name is Hugh Leonard. I live at 491 Brooks Road here in the town of Chenango. Sorry. Usually I'm yelling in the courtroom and I'm yelling. I'm not here to talk to you about the pros and cons of fracking. What I am concerned about, and as you know from other meetings, I'm concerned about the mechanics of legislation. And in this particular case of legislation, I fear that we're being redundant and opening up the town to potential litigation. First, we already have a state moratorium, so this is redundant. We already have a permitting process, and you have a zoning ordinance already in place, which would take care of any type of drilling that would come into being. So I'm fearful that by enacting a moratorium, as Mr. Redlake told you, was only going to open up the town for litigation, which is needless. We simply don't need it. The only purpose of a moratorium of this nature, now that we already have the permitting process and the zoning laws in place, is to make a political statement. I would submit to you that it is not up to the town board of the town of Chenango to make a political statement with regard to fracking. I would be making that same argument if the board was going to make an ordinance or a moratorium or a statement that they're pro-fracking. It's just not the purpose of the town board. You have the situation in control, you have it in place. Now, with regard to the purpose of the moratorium, which was road permitting, permissive, good road stuff, I've been working with your town attorney, I've been working with the drafter of that initial legislation. I spent probably 10, 15 hours. I think that you have a good road use law in place. The noise ordinance would only take a little bit of time, and the light ordinance the same thing. You don't need a year to do this. This state moratorium is certainly going to go well into 2013. You don't need this.